What's up, everybody? And my name is Chloe, and today we are going to make spider sandwiches, great for Halloween. And see over here, I'm going to make meat and cheese today. You can make peanut butter and jelly or whatever you want, but I'm making meat and cheese. The first thing you have to do, I'm going to use a glass to cut circles into the bread. You can use cookie cutters or whatever shapes you want to use. I'm using a glass. With this, you have to press down really hard and turn in order to make it come out right. Like this. And then you make a second circle for the top. Like that. Next, I'm going to cut the meat and cheese. I'm using turkey and mozzarella, but with this, it's not going to be a complete circle, but it's fine. Again, you're going to press down and turn. Come out with one. And then I come out with two. Next thing, we're going to place one of them on top, but I'm not going to put it on the other one because I'm going to use carrots as the legs. So when it's on, it's going to be easier for it to be held. It's going to be hard right now, but it's fine. There we go. I'm gonna put on this, and then that. What I'm going to be using for the eyes is icing. It might sound weird, but I will be using icing. You can use raisins or chocolates or whatever. I am using icing. You want tiny little droplets. You don't want too much, otherwise it's gonna be a big mess. So this is what your spider sandwich is gonna turn out to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you.